Good day, traders. This is Rich. It is April 7th. This is price action, and it's 4:05. This is the SPY we're looking at right now. We're going to discuss what happened today, and we're going to talk about a trade we took today. So let's go back to where we closed yesterday on the SPY, which was on this candle here. So we're talking 264. We had a major gap up again, back-to-back gap ups to 274. So we're talking 10 points on the SPY. Definitely touched a new high of 275. That was for a long period of time, probably it's been a couple weeks since it's been up here, and it definitely did not go higher. That was the key here. It did not go higher, pulled back, punched up again, but then dropped all the way back down, punched up again, and then dropped for the rest of the day. So it definitely didn't have the momentum it had yesterday, and that's to be expected. I think everyone was a little surprised by the move up that it was, even though we've been decimated over the month or two. You don't expect 2 days in a row like that unless the good news is super good news. And there's some positive news out there, but then again, there's all this other bad stuff that comes out to go with it that causes the fluctuation of the market. So I think between oil and things like that, everything kind of came back to normal by midday here, and I think people realized maybe we're up too high. So the trade we looked at today, we had an opening candle on American Airlines. So for the early gains were from airlines, cruises, restaurants, retails, all that stuff. So that's what we're looking at in this case. And we had an opening price around 1106. It pulled back down on this candle here, and we were looking for the break of this opening price, which was around 1150. We got in, we got a nice run up here. We didn't get all of this because we got out early just to be safe, and it did pull back eventually and then dropped off even way below our entry price. So this is why intraday or day trading can be great, because you can be in and out, and look what happens by the end of the day. If you're buying and you're holding up here and you're looking for, overnight or something like that, like the price is already against you. So we took our gains here, not heavy, but enough to satisfy the P&L, and that pretty much sums up the trades we took today. We were looking at a few others. The trade we kind of liked today was this TLRY, which is cannabis stock. We were looking for the break of this price on this opening candle, which was around 650, 648, got up to 650. So we're looking for the break of 650. And guess what happened? It happened during lunch. So we kind of missed that one. Look at the volume that came in here. It definitely pulled back down to around 605. And then it kind of climbed up here with some nice volume, pulled back, and then the continuation bars. So it was a nice move of 30 cents from 650 to 680. Probably would have sold in here somewhere, so probably would have gotten like 20 cents out of it. But that was my original trade of the day that I was looking for, but I was looking for it to happen earlier. And then when the markets were kind of bleeding out a little bit, this decided to go up. And I had a alert here. I think it was at 30, 35, but I think I was working out or something like that, and I didn't get to see that potential trade. Had this happened around 2:30 or something like that, that would have been perfect. I would have been ready, and that would have been a nice little closing trade for the day. So that pretty much sums it up for the price action today. Look for changes on the channel, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to get some stuff going on the website as well. And this is just a journey. I'm not selling anything. I'm just giving you some ideas of how I look to trade and where I'm learning my information from. And if you have it in you to day trade, it's not easy. So manage your risk always, and know what you're getting into if you decide to get into day trading. So we're going to close it out today. It's April 7th. We'll see you tomorrow. Got a couple more days of trading. Then we have a Friday off for Good Friday. Hopefully things get better out there in the world, and we'll go from there. So have a good one. Talk to you soon.